Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Edible Feasting here. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on notification button for more videos. In this video I'll be showing you how I make my fried yam sauce. Enjoy. For ingredients, I'll be making use of beef, which I have cut into cubes. I'll also be making use of chicken breasts, which I have also cut into cubes. Then I'll be making use of green pepper, carrots, which I also have here. Then I'll be making use of chicken wings, which is like the major protein in the dish. Then I'll be making use of shrimps, which I've washed and I've removed all the dead particles. Then for pepper, I'll be making use of red bell pepper, tomato, scotch bonnet, and I'll be blending it to rough paste. Before stir frying my protein, I already marinated it with seasoning. I added salt, I added curry, and I added thyme. For more how-to videos, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button for more videos. Thank you.